He's sucking on your fingers. I'm laughing with you, not at you, I promise. Here's your thumb. You should suck on your thumb. That's better than your fingers. Oh, you poor thing. Here, you want to suck on something? Suck on this. Yay! Success! Uh-oh. August 4th, 2010.